I'm sure they got all kinds of those map things in cars, and somebody has had one of them at least wired up for the dangerous At&T, which on spectrum next door just conducting hate noise techniques, military techniques against Americans on American soil, and hijacking your lifeline right now. Get it on video. Time, bait, number, dot, whatever you get when you don't get me. Mail stolen within post offices, and yes, they get that alert on their map thingy in the car, and they drive past that investor and let them know, we don't like you investing in the war upon America.